Alright folks, let's be honest. Nobody, and I mean nobody, got into crypto because they love writing down a 24-word shopping list on a piece of paper. Yep, seed phrases are perhaps the biggest reason your mates refuse to take their coins off of exchanges. And now, MetaMask has just rolled out a seedless login. It's big news, right? But
is it safe?
Is it safe?
Well, today we're breaking down the truth about seedless wallets, what they are, the risks, the benefits, and what this means for the future of self-custody. My name is Guy. Stay tuned. Okay, let's roll it back. Why do we even have seed phrases in the first place? Well, when you create a crypto wallet, it generates a secret code, the private key, that proves you own your coins. Now, remembering a long cryptographic key is impossible, so wallets came up with an easier method: seed phrases. Think of it like a master backup key. Lose your phone, forget your password, your house burns down. If you have your seed phrase, you can recover your crypto anywhere. It sounds great until you realize, lose your seed phrase? Funds gone. Share it? Funds gone. Forget where you stored it? Gone. It's both a strength and the Achilles heel of self-custody. So here's the reality. Seed phrases are scary. They feel like a single point of failure. Now, data from Tangem shows that around 75% of users pick the seedless option when given the choice. And that's not a fluke. It's proof that people want a safer, simpler way to secure their assets. But here's the important part. Not all seedless solutions are the same. Firstly, we have cloud-based seedless, that's MetaMask's model. It stores your keys in iCloud or Google Drive. The pro, easy recovery. The con, you're trusting big tech. A hacked email or phishing scam can compromise your crypto. And then there's hardware-based seedless, that's Tangem's model. In this case, the seed is generated and stored inside a secure chip. Pro, the private key never leaves the card. No paper, no cloud, no screenshots. Con, well, you still need to keep your card safe, but hackers can't just grab your keys from the internet. And this is where the confusion happens. A lot of users see seedless and think that it's the same everywhere. It's not. The design makes all the difference. So the seedless debate really comes down to this: convenience versus security. Cloud solutions are familiar but risky. Hardware solutions give you true self-custody, just without the stress of a seed phrase. And that's why brands like Tangem are worth watching. They've built a wallet that feels like a bank card, but behind it is secure hardware that keeps your keys safe from hackers. It's still your crypto, your control, but without the post-it note nightmare. Long term, the industry knows seed phrases are unsustainable. They're too clunky for mainstream adoption. So we'll see a mix of solutions: social recovery, MPC, that's splitting keys across devices or servers, biometrics tied to secure hardware. Tangem's approach, though, is already showing strong demand. When 3/4 of users choose the seedless setup, that tells you where things are headed. People want simplicity, but they also want real security. So the takeaway is simple. Not all seedless wallets are created equal. Cloud seedless? Yes, convenient, but you're relying on someone else's infrastructure. Hardware seedless? True self-custody without the headaches of memorizing 24 words. That's why Tangem is positioning itself as a leader in this space. It's giving users what they want: ease of use and genuine ownership. So, is the seed phrase dead? Not yet. But wallets like Tangem are showing us what the future could look like. Crypto that's actually simple, safe, and ready for mass adoption. Now, Tangem is one of our brand partners, and if you want to check out their wallet for yourself, we'll leave a link below to our deals page where you'll find an exclusive discount only for Coin Bureau viewers. And let us know in the comments, would you trust the cloud with your keys, or would you prefer a hardware solution you control in your own hands? As always, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. This is Guy, signing off.